Alrighty, we got a few more that are, again, working with properties of exponents. So we are just multiplying two terms, two monomials, basically. We've got nine, and I know it looks a little funny because of the software, how it writes the fractions and exponents and things like that. But really, you just have 10, for number 9, sorry. For number 9, you got 10x raised to the 3/4 times 9x to the 1/2. Right? So you're just going to multiply your numbers, 10 times 9, and you're going to multiply your variables, x times x. So 10 times 9, I'm going to write it out just so we have it. Okay, stop that. Okay. I'm telling the screen to stop that. Sorry, guys. So we got 10 times 9, right? And then it's still multiplying. You're not adding. You're not changing it to adding or anything like that. So times, and then it's going to be x to the 3/4 times x to the 1/2. I'm actually just going to write it out. Remember, when you are multiplying bases, you add the exponents. So 3/4 plus 1/2. 10 times 9, guys, is 90. And then x to the, and guys, let your calculator do the work for you. 3/4 plus 1/2, math enter, or you can enter it as a fraction. You can do it as 0.75 plus 0.5, and you can still math enter and just leave it as a, just get it back as a fraction. Okay, so it's 5/4 as a fraction. So that's number 9. Number 10, same idea. We tend to freak out because there are fractions, but really all you're doing is 30 divided by 5. It's not 30 minus 5, it is 30 divided by 5 times x to the, and again, because you are dividing those variables, dividing your x's, you subtract your exponents. Okay, so 3/4 minus 1/3. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and then again, let your calculator do the work. 3/4 minus 1/3, math enter. Okay, so 3 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 3, math enter, and you get a 5/12. Okay, so 6x to the 5/12. All right, last one here. We are technically kind of, again, air quote distributing that outside exponent. So we're going to do powers to powers. So you are going to do 25 raised to the 1/2. It's not 25 times 1/2. It is 25 raised to the 1/2. And then you have x, and it's going to be raised to these two. The 10, you are multiplying the 1/2. Right? So 10 times 1/2. And then when you take your y, you have 8, because it was y to the 8th power, raised to the 1/2 power means we multiply those again. Okay. Guys, 25 to the 1/2, your calculator can handle it, but it's also just the square root of 25, so it's 5. And then x to the 10 times 1/2 is 5, and y to the 8 times 1/2 is 4. Okay, so that's all your properties of exponents solved out for you.